What's your number one UX design resource?
What is that name? Nearman?
Nielsen Norman.
Nielsen Norman, okay. Nielsen Norman. Nielsen Norman.
I love the Nielsen Norman website. I'm probably on that every single day just to learn about something I'm working on or watch a quick YouTube video to help me out with something.
I just can find all the theories there. Like sometimes I was like, wait, which theory, like which methodology I should use to solve this problem? I would go there to check.
My number one UX design resource is actually reading the comments. I love to go on the App Store or read consumer report reviews about how customers are enjoying products in the industry. I can glean a lot of information from those conversations and improve the products I'm working on based on the shortcomings of our competitors' products.
My number one resource is Google, and I don't feel embarrassed saying that. Google is an amazing tool for a reason. Use it.
Stock pictures, I like Pexels, Unsplash, fonts, I like Font Awesome.
LinkedIn and YouTube. I love videos. I like listening to people, and there are a lot of great resources on YouTube.
What are your favorite channels?
Career Foundry is definitely one of my go-to.
Career Foundry. Great answer.